Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and see the device logged in into your email. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now the first thing that you want to go ahead and open up is your browser right here, and after opening up your browser, you just want to go ahead and search for your Google account. So just go ahead and click on the first setting or first website that we have, which is the Google accounts. And once inside, you want to go ahead and click on the blue button called Go to Google account. And inside, you will be able to see the overall view of your Google account. You just want to go ahead and scroll down right here until you find the security tab. And inside security tab, of course, there's going to be the personal infos right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and blur it out. And once you have scrolled down enough, you will then go ahead and see the tab called your devices. You want to go ahead and click on manage all device, and in that way you will be able to see all of the device logged in inside your email right here. Now you can also go ahead and control these emails by clicking on one of the phones right here, and once inside you can go ahead and sign out, find device, and also press the don't recognize button. So guys, if you enjoy and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.